Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will share with you 50 ChatGPT prompts for your Twitter account. So you can use it for beginner or for professional. This prompt divided by categories: the basic and for the writing, produce idea, get feedback, plan, and engage. So here you can see all the detail about this prompt. So for example, if you come to the basic plan here, you have a lot of type of prompts. For example, the first one, to generate Twitter name. So here is the prompt. Okay, generate Twitter name for an expert of growing an audience, and here you have this detail. Okay, so, and for example, the second one, as you can see, with the tagline. So, of course, many people have tagline with a name. So, for example, the cold e-making, the data guy, etc., etc. So, to use this prompt, for example, to use a similar result, here is an example here, and just copy paste this example to your ChatGPT with your Twitter account, and you will get a very powerful result. Okay, so to get this prompt, now how to get them? You must subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's very, very important. Okay, when you do it, you must like this video and comment by 50 Twitter. I repeat, you must comment by 50 Twitter. While you do it, send me an email. Okay, send me an email or message to my YouTube channel, and I will send you the link. Also, if you see this video in my TikTok account or in Instagram, you must follow me. It's very important. I can't send you the link if you don't follow my account, okay? Because it will be the spam for me. Also, you must like this video and comment by 50 Twitter again. Same thing. That's all. I am waiting your message, okay? And I will send you the link after 1 hour or 2 hours. So take care of us. I will see you for next video, inshallah, for another free tool or sharing another IE prompt or ChatGPT prompt also. Assalamu alaikum.